Hi, my name is Amy, and thank you very much for watching. So, if you watched my last video, I started watching this again, and I just got really tired, so I took a nap because I'm a baby. But also, training is difficult, so we're just getting through the parts that I've watched before. Then I'm going to start coding along. You're welcome to code along with me, code along with Patrick. This is me trying to learn the full blockchain Solidity everything course. And now I have new motivation because my work is being weird. Also, I looked it up. StreamYard's not going to be a long-term solution for me. I'm only allowed to use their thing for 20 hours, and this is a 32-hour course that I'm trying to get through. I've only made it through almost 3 hours. There's no way we're going to be able to do this. Plus, and hear me out, when I've been recording it, I've been uploading it to Otter to get the subtitles so that I can make notes on what I've learned for the day. But as you can see, it's not stopping me from using it for now because I still have 6 days and however many hours left to do it. So we'll just get through as much as we can with this, and then at least I don't have to have this stored on my computer. So let's continue watching. We just learned about arrays, and this is deploying our first contract. And as far as I remember with this, third bit maybe. Okay. If we have this, I don't remember any of this. This is compiled. And I think we were just changed this and then deployed it. But we'll see. Also, thank you to the 3 people that signed in before. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry this is not like a real tutorial. Hopefully those will be brought back once I get through this hurdle. I just really believe that I'll be much, much happier once first of all, I would like my personal business to take off. That way I don't have to work for anybody else. Second of all, I think that this is still a good option for me for either freelancing or just finding a job in Web3. I'm going to complete this and then reach back out to people and try to become a developer advocate with learning Vue in Web3. And I just want a job that I can work that will pay me enough for me to survive so that I can follow my dreams. So these are 2 separate things, but they're very closely aligned. My day job is not aligning with what I want to do with the rest of my life. So anyway, we can either spend my 20 hours complaining about that, or we can do more of my training. As I said before, I don't think I'm going to be able to do 5 hours of training. That is a day for the next 7 days. That's ridiculous. Really? It's, yeah, so 32 minus 3, that's 29 hours divided by 7. So that's like 4 hours a day. So if we don't count today and we can get through this an hour or two, and I don't really, and I do this during the day at work next week, we might actually be able to get through this in a week. Probably not, but I mean, I think the best thing with this is probably just to grind my way through it. Okay, well, this we might do with it. So, remix injected. I'll do 1 because I already have rank B in it. And then deploy. Insufficient funds. Sure. This is deprecated. Okay, but in the meantime, did they send me ETH? Um, this is a dumb thing where I have to check my email. I don't want to check my email in the middle of all of this. Um, well, why would you do that and not into account 1? That's why. Okay. Is that what happened? I think it was just not the right one before. That's weird. Okay. Okay, have they actually updated this to Gorally? Okay, so basically we need to change it over to this, and then faucets test it. I am human. We are looking for turtles. Are you a real turtle or a toy turtle? I don't know. Bus, plane, ship, house, train, house, bus, house, house. Okay. So faucets.chain.link is a good resource. Someone DM me on my other account though. Let's see if it is important or not. Yes, I'm in the middle of a live stream doing this. Not professional. This is how we're doing this. No, it is not important. So My favorite thing to do anyway. Is that just lesson 3? Oh no, I did the dreaded thing. Since I already have lesson 4 on here, how long is lesson 3? Maybe I've already watched this before. I must have, because... Huh, weird. Okay. Because, just go back here. We can go to lesson 3. I have these contracts. We have the store. Okay, these are actually the default ones. Whatever, it's fine. We've done lesson 3 and we started lesson 4. So I don't think we got all the way through lesson 4. Maybe we just made it through lesson 3. This takes so long. We're gonna get through lesson 4 today, I think. Hopefully. You know what? Screw it. We're just gonna do this again. Because it's fine. We're just going to delete these 3 things. Why don't I have a copy of this? Delete all. Okay. It's good for me, and I probably won't be as tired if I get through this. Um, I'm actually going to go back to this and listen. 3. And they have the code here. And I'm going to just, wouldn't call it cheating so much as I don't want to be spending forever being in struggle zone. He knows me so well. I mean, I'm going to do that. Okay, so we're going to come here. That's not where we're going. Nor is here where we're going. Going to have pragma. Oh, you are a comment. Congratulations. But we need to have this, the pragma first. So we have the favorite number defined. We're going to change struct people to be person. So person, public, people. Favorite number. Now I personalized it. Save it. Oh, and you know why it was doing that? Because we have the compiler here set at 12. So there's always that. There's always something. Let's go back here. It's great. It's storage. It's simple. Oh, Amy. Okay. I don't want to do that. I'm going to do I'm calling it simple maybe. The thing I know for certain is that we do need the pragma in it. And it's also good to have the SPDX here. So that's taken care of. So there's that. So this is a class name. So it's like not too contract storage factory. And then curly braces, and then we're good. Not what there. Okay. Function create simple store. Something about view public, something, there's going to be some. See, didn't forget everything that's happening. We don't want to do that. Don't you need to import simple storage? Did I miss something? Oh, okay. I think basically they copied it in the function. It it exists above, so they are able to do that. Okay. And you're sure you don't need to do like as, or, oh, also it's probably not single quotes. I've been trained with JavaScript. Do not mind me. We're super good at all of this. Okay, so I guess you have to have the dot sol. So if we did the simple storage equals new, I feel like I didn't, semicolon does not like. I did probably mean. Oh, okay. Well, maybe. So inside the contract, but outside the function, we got simple storage public with an S with a semicolon. And yeah, that definitely helps declaring a variable. We might be able to put this all in one line, but basically this makes it so that the scope of this is not just within the function, so that's cool. This makes sense? Interacting with other contracts. Go us. So I will create. I'm just thinking about all of the stuff I need to do this week. And it's very inconvenient that my company is being such. Well, I wouldn't even call it my company being such a jerk because it is actually two companies that I'm angry at. But I'm no longer going to be working for the company that had the boss that made fun of me, so there's that. Now I'm just going to work for the company that is starting things out by underpaying me. And the reason why they're underpaying me is because I've been at the salary for 13 months and now they want to start the clock over. So I'm not going to get a pay raise for another 12 months, which means that, at 24 to 28 months of not having any kind of a raise, including salary adjustment with a 10% inflation, means that I am making less money now than I was this time last year. And I'm also going to be out of line with the job market. So, and I know that they pay their developers $40,000 more than what I'm going to be paid. So it doesn't inspire me to work harder for them. But if I get this course done and I build my own full stack thing from scratch that is NFT and Web3 related, I'll feel more comfortable looking for a job in this field. And we'll just get through this. I didn't want to do this right now because I have so much to do with Banned Books art. I don't know if it's still running, but I do need to spend time, and at least this month is going well. But I finished the 4 towers yesterday. And by finished, I mean the initial placement of things, which means that I can replace these numbers with, the actual images that need to be there, and add some magic stuff behind the scenes so that people are actually, delighted and surprised when they come in here. But I need to fill in this wall, and I need to fill in that wall, and I need to get this metal thing done here. And I was feeling delighted because I was done with programming this stuff. And then I could start with actually putting in the images and seeing what all needs to be done. I'm going to do a couple of things over here, just in general, in this corner of the world, on the edge. But I was really glad that I was able to get this was cooperating with me, unlike last month. But now that I have an extra 5 hours of things I'm doing, it's kind of difficult to be doing all the advertisement and stuff that I need to do for that stuff. And I am eating into my 20 hours of time, complaining about all the time I don't have. So, we'll just need to take breaks and get things done and just, be better. So what are we doing? I went from making a function to ranting about how much time I don't have. So every function or address. ABI stands for stuff, but it's really just like the JSON that goes with it, like metadata. Okay. Location, binary, interface. I have a question though. So I had this thing. It was called Third Wed Maybe. We have this, and it has the base contract, and I basically took the whole thing. If we go ahead and compile this, can I find, this has the compilation details. And holy poop, if I had remembered this would have been very, very convenient. I don't know what any of this means. Oh, okay, payee added. Initialized. Payment received. Payment released. Role granted. What does any of this mean? Okay, so it has the default admin role. Okay. I could at some point explain what this was. I basically took the basic Web3, third web contract, and I went to their GitHub where it is available, and I copied it into my remix because I was confused about something. And what do we do when we're confused about things? We build it from scratch, apparently. So I did that, and then I didn't know how to test it, so then I didn't do anything. But I mean, is it really that much to ask for a lazy mint that is also split payments? I don't think so. I really wish you weren't overloading this so much. It would be much easier to know what we're talking about. Pretty sure that you put the underscore in there. You don't actually also put the. Do you put the underscore in here? Oh, okay. Well, it's not parentheses. It is brackets. Don't mind me. I know how things work. What is it saying? We have an unused local variable. That's fine. We'll be using it soon. Okay, yeah, so there's no reason to wrap this, but this was silly. JK. It's still a little difficult to read because we're overloading it so much. But store what? Simple storage is number and then name. So if you don't tell it what it's doing, or if you don't provide a name, it'll just go by order within the struct. So we will have a number, but not a name. Function sf get be pure. Public index. File. You can deploy. Retrieve, and we deployed, then so we have SF store. So like 0 and 28. Or I guess we can create a simple store. And then here we do that. And we need to SF get, and it's 28. Okay, does that make sense? Uh-oh, my cat is licking my finger, but I have to code whatever shall I do? I mean, continue to do this. Storage.sol and I assume we're just going to need all of this. And then pretty sure that should be a capital E, extra storage. And then it's this part, the simple storage, public. Well, what does it want to do? Cat's licking me again. She's very helpful, keeping me relaxed. Tease you all. You should see how cute my cats are right now. They're licking each other. They're being cuties. Cutie patooties. Function, store, public, something like that. Okay, so in simple storage, for the store function, public virtual, and then in the storage, extra storage, is it here? I'm pretty sure it's at the beginning. Okay, so we're going to specifically that and then deploy. And then when we go here to so we added 3, it added 5, and then it's 8 now. Okay, this is probably a good place. I'm feeling okay, but I'm gonna stop the stream. I'm gonna work a little bit on Bandbook's art, and then I'm gonna come back. Lesson 4 is 2 hours long, so I'm pretty sure. I don't know if I got. I don't believe I did 5.5. I must have just started lesson 4 last time. So now we're back to where we were before. Yay, go me. So, yeah, that's the end of the overview. I understand what I'm doing. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing, but we'll probably be doing a mix of, well, I may not do this as a live stream anymore because we've established that I wanted to use Otter. So I guess we'll just trash my local environment. So, or, um, uh, you know, this number here. I only have 141 gigabytes left. So we're probably going to go into crisis mode on this as well. So anyway, I will talk to you later and probably just later today. And we'll get lesson 4 done and then we'll start using ethers and hard hat and get to, we're not doing next, we're doing Vue.js because we are. And I don't think we need to do hard hat DAOs specifically. these two things, I think once I finish this marketplace here, we will be done. We will be a full stack developer, I assume. I might actually be able to get a job after, or at least start applying for things after I've done the 16-hour stuff, because I don't know what. Anyway, we'll get through all of these lessons, at least watching them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer. I don't know what I'm doing either, so I'll talk to you later. Leave the studio.